Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting 300-350 GSM cardstock because it balances stiffness and shuffle feel. Once chosen, print at 300 dpi to avoid pixelation. Layout 9 up on an 8. 5x11 or A4 sheet with a 1/8 bleed so edges trim cleanly. Use a rotary trimmer for long straight cuts and prepare a 3 mm corner rounder to protect edges. Make the first straight cuts now, then separate the sheets into smaller stacks for more accurate trimming. Once trimmed, you need to add durability. Apply 1 to 2 thin coats of matte or gloss UV coating, allowing 10-15 minutes drying time between layers so the surface cures flat. Make sure to laminate using a pouch sized for your sheets. Hot or cold both work, but moderate roller speed prevents air bubbles and shifting, which is why you test a scrap first. After lamination, align your cut cards on a simple jig and use a weight or clamps while adhesive or coating fully sets to maintain flush faces and edges. Now complete the deck by using a precision guillotine to make final edge cuts so every card is uniform. Take multiple light passes rather than a single heavy cut to avoid chipping. Inspect each card for consistent thickness, corner radius, and face/back centering. Make adjustments to the jig if any pattern appears. If cards warp or curl, repress them between flat boards with even weight for 24 to 48 hours, because controlled pressure and time will usually restore flatness without damaging the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.